So it is about 6 o'clock in the morning here. The guy was just trying to motion me to come to the little cafe pub thingy, but it's 6 o'clock in the morning here. It's a bit raining, as you can see. And I had a pretty good night's sleep. I don't think I think I did pretty good in terms of me and my traveling, because usually people say like, oh, you'll get jet lag, because it took me a whole day. It's about an 8-hour difference from Miami, but I don't think I'm gonna really be getting jet lag. I was really adamant on that too. But yesterday I went to Shi-Fi Summit. That was really great.
Turn right onto ADD Jadesi.
Oh, that was mine. Give me. Okay, so that was the my GPS, because for some reason I don't know why I used Google Maps. I should have used the other one, but whatever. But yeah, I went to Shi-Fi Summit yesterday. That was really great. I was in a room full of women, which I know that's going to be a minority for the rest of this week. But we were in a room full of women, just talking about Web3, creator economy, crypto, making Web3 fun. And one thing I learned is that it seems that is what could be a way for mass adoption, which does make sense because we as humans, we are social creatures. So I can see that. So I'm like, okay, so that's really cool. And I really learned something about social graphs, because you know everything on blockchain, everything is on the chain, unless you use private. You get your data off chain, which there are summits about that. But all in all, I had a really great time. Had conversations with a couple of people. I even had a long conversation with one of the speakers, which I was like really proud of myself about, because it's like, damn, if I could have a conversation with her, and I'm only been in this space for about a year.
Turn right onto Dolapdir Taksim Jadesi.
And my black experience so far has only been a day. I haven't had like a bad thing. So right now, why am I walking so late? Well, I'm walking because I want some fruit, because I'm going to be doing a 4-kilometer run with a couple of people, because there's a whole bunch of events during this week. It's raining right now, so hopefully it won't be raining in the next 2 or 3 hours. But I need fruit to, energize my body. I walk into a tourist-friendly fruit stand, because it's common here to be told high prices just because you're a tourist, obviously.